Hi, and welcome to another DesSoft video. In today's video, we will look at the project information page. Selecting project information from the DDES homepage will display a list of user-defined variables that are accessible throughout the current project. These variables can be tokenized to display project-related information on documentation. The first column displays the defined variable name, and the second column displays its value. Existing variables and their values can be changed simply by editing the text. The empty row at the bottom of the list can be used to add new items. The delete button will prompt the user to delete the selected item. The back button will save the changes and return the user to the DDES homepage. As a word of caution, when adding or editing variables, avoid spaces in the variable name. Tokens don't work with spaces, however the values can have spaces. To make variables more readable, capitalize the first letter of each word, or substitute spaces with an underscore. Visit us at DesSoft.tech or see the description for more information. Thank you for watching this DesSoft video. We trust you'll have a productive day with DesSoft.